Welcome to the Evolved Humans Academy. You're now entering Module 1, AI Foundations for HR Professionals, the place where AI finally becomes practical, clear, and useful for real HR work in the UAE. This module is designed to take you from I've heard of AI too. I can confidently use AI to do real HR tasks today. Let's look at what you'll master. Learning objectives. 1. Understand the three types of AI used in HR. You'll learn the difference between generative AI, predictive AI, and automation AI, and more importantly, which one to use for which HR task. No more guessing, no more confusion. 2. Use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Copilot like a real HR professional, not for fun, not for experimentation. You'll learn how to use these tools to actually draft contracts, write policies, analyze cases, and build HR content. 3. Learn the AI risk framework for HR. You'll understand exactly what data is safe to share, what you must never enter into AI tools, and why this matters for UAE compliance and employee privacy. 4. Apply the prompt formula, UAE car edition. This formula ensures your AI outputs are accurate, structured, and HR ready every single time, especially for UAE label or tasks. 5. Complete your first 5 AI powered HR tasks by the end of this module. You'll have already used AI to complete real HR work, not theory, not examples, but actual tasks you can use immediately. 6. Build your personal AI tool stack. You'll walk away with a customized set of AI tools that fit your HR role, your industry, and the UAE context you operate in. Why this program exists? This program was built after extensive research into how HR professionals in the UAE actually work, the challenges, the documentation load, the compliance pressure, and the need for speed without compromising accuracy. Everything you learn here is designed to save you hours, reduce errors, and elevate your HR capability. Let's begin. You're about to learn AI the way HR professionals should, practical, powerful, and UAE aligned.
AI isn't one big magical tool, it's three very different systems. And if HR doesn't understand the difference, we either underuse AI and waste hours, or overtrust AI and make risky decisions. Here's what actually exists. 1. Generative AI creates content. This is the AI that writes for you. Give it a simple instruction, and it produces contracts, JDs, letters, summaries, training content, instantly. It's your content creation assistant. 2. Predictive AI analyzes data and predicts outcomes. This AI doesn't write. It studies patterns and tells you what's likely to happen next. Attrition risks, hiring needs, performance trends. It's your decision-making assistant. 3. Automation AI executes tasks automatically. This AI doesn't think or write. It does. It sends reminders, updates records, moves candidates, triggers workflows. It's your operations assistant. When HR understands these three categories, AI stops being confusing and starts becoming a superpower. This is the demo video that shows you exactly what's inside the module. Click the link, explore the content, and enroll today. The course is fully digital, self-paced, and you will receive a certificate upon completion.